When evaluating the cost of replacement windows, homeowners should consider both the upfront cost and the long-term ROI. Upfront cost varies widely based on factors like size, style, materials, and efficiency features. Let's examine the factors that contribute to ROI and how they can affect your long-term cost. It is well known that new windows can provide energy savings. Today's windows offer several energy-efficient features such as premium design and materials, multiple panes of glass, types of glass, foam fill, and superior weather stripping. Not only can this equate to energy savings, you might be able to claim a federal tax credit for upgrading your window's efficiency. Softlight offers windows that meet the new Energy Star most efficient criteria that qualify for these credits. Replacement windows also offer a large return on home value. In a 2024 study, Remodeling Magazine found that replacing vinyl windows offers a 67.1% return on investment. In addition to energy efficiency, new windows offer improved security and noise control, protection against costly water leaks and other environmental damage, and pleasing aesthetics and curb appeal. You should also consider the cost of not replacing your windows. Leaky windows can cause expensive water damage or allow too much air infiltration that increases energy bills. Broken locks are a security risk, and poorly functioning windows are difficult to clean and can either prevent ventilation or inhibit a means of escape during a fire. Another thing to consider is the UV damage that can occur to artwork and furnishings with the wrong windows. The best way to protect your home is to install functional, efficient windows. There is an endless array of types, styles, features, and benefits to meet every budget, climate, and decor. If you want to learn more about the true cost of replacement windows or get a quote, visit our website at soft-light.com/locator to browse our list of dealers.